In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse Shopify themes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find themes, how to explore them confidently, and what to look for when previewing demos and reading feature details, so you can shortlist options that fit your brand and store needs. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin. Head to the Shopify login page, enter your credentials, and once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. If you're part of a team, make sure your account has permission to manage the online store so you can access theme settings. On the left, you'll see the main navigation menu. This is your home base for everything you'll do next. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then select Themes. This page shows your current live theme at the top, along with any themes you've added to your theme library below. Even if you don't plan to change your theme today, this is the best place to start exploring what's possible and getting inspiration for layouts, sections, and styling. Under the Theme Library section, click Visit Theme Store. This opens the official Shopify theme store, where themes are reviewed and supported, and where you'll find both free and paid options. Here you can browse by industry, layout style, catalog size, and specific features like product filtering, mega menus, and media-rich product pages. Keep an eye out for themes built for Online Store 2.0. They offer flexible sections on more pages, which makes customization easier without heavy code changes. Also note the number of styles or presets included with each theme, since those can give you different looks with a single design. When you find a theme that catches your eye, click it to open its detail page. This is where you can view a live demo and read the full feature list. In the demo, switch between different styles if they're available, and preview on desktop and mobile to see how navigation, product grids, and checkout flows feel on different screens. Explore key pages, home, collection, product, and blog to get a sense of typography, spacing, and media handling. Then scroll through the feature details to check for the essentials your store needs, like quick view, predictive search, in-menu promotions, or advanced filtering. Take a moment to read reviews and note the support information and update history, which can help you gauge reliability and long-term maintenance. As you browse, keep a short list by opening themes in new tabs and jotting down what you like about each one. That way you can compare demos side by side and narrow your choices with confidence. That's it. Now you know how to browse Shopify themes, preview live demos, and evaluate features before you decide which ones to test further.